Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel again. And the last video what we did is we wired this CDI, 3kg CDI, also known as pre-bug CDI or jug, from jug with the 5 wires. And we wired this one in order for us to run it on a BWS bugeye, just like that one. Yes, and we did it right. We were able to run it without using any relays. And just check our previous video for the info. And now we are going to also wire this CDI. This is a AF18 Malossi CDI. This is for Dio and has a socket connector just like that. And I'll make it shorter this time. I already prepared everything. So this is my harness, this is my wiring, adapter wiring, so that I can use the CDI for that scooter. Okay, of course I use this kind of connector, and you can get it from Amazon just like this. There's a kit that you can buy. There's so many kinds of connector that you need. There are some 9, this is 6, this is 6, just like what we need. There are 2 that we needed for our 3kg CDI. There's 3 also needed for that one. So right now we're going to wire the CDI, and it is very important to locate the reference point of the CDI. So I printed a diagram so that it's easier for us to follow. So this one, this is the CDI. This is the Malossi CDI DC unit. So basically orange. So this is your reference point, this part where you can have it aligned on your nail socket, right? So basically orange, black and red wire, and at the bottom this is black and white, and white red. This is white red. So we only need to use 4 wires to run this CDI on our bugeye. And I already have prepared the harness to shorten the video. So basically it's just like this. This is my reference point. That is my reference point on the CDI. Orange connection, see? So we have to be creative. I don't have the red black wire, so I just put a red tape on this black wire. So that's the black and red, and black and white, that's the one. And this is red and white, that's the one. Okay, now I'll just have to open this CDI. I haven't opened yet, but I already prepared the harness. Okay, I like to open it this way. I would like to open it clean, nice and clean. I don't know. Some of you just rip it off, but for me, I just want to do it nice. You can do whatever you want. The important thing is this, isn't it? Oh, let's see what we have. This is a sticker. That's the Malossi. Nice. And this is it. So this is the socket that I made. All I have to do is just like that, insert it, and voila. Hopefully this thing will work. Okay, that should work. I already made a research on this one, so just to shorten this video, for those who wants to use a TC unit, there was no available for jug, so I chose this unit for, this is actually for Honda Dio AF18 with a single socket, so just like that. So we're not going to use any relays on this, and I'm going to show you this guy still have the CDI on it, stock is CDI, and I'm just grab the key, run it just to show you. As you can see, it's running, so I can shut it down and I put the CDI on. And as you can see, guys, it's running fine with that CDI. So I think we're good. So guys, I noticed something. The response is so different from, there's a huge difference from the stock CDI. So those of you who wants to run it same way as I did, just grab the one for AF18. I know the one for jug is so expensive. Just check it on scootertuning.ca. There was no available when I ordered, and that's why I grabbed that CDI, and voila, yeah, it's working now. And at least I don't have to spend that much on a racing CDI. So just for the recap, this is what we do. Here it is. So basically, any Dio CDI with the same socket, just like this. This is also a CDI. Got it from Amazon. Have the same socket orientation. See, they're just the same. But this one, yeah, this one is also for Dio. And if you run the same, just the same socket, you know, you can just switch the wire and everything, and just follow the connection that, just like the one that we have. Connect it to the scooter original harness. All you have to disconnect it, and watch for the previous video that we had for more info about the wiring. I just want to make it shorter this time. So I hope you guys who are looking for an alternative CDI for their Yamaha, BWS or ZUMA bugeye year 2003 to 2011, here is your another alternative. You don't need a relay. I show you in the last video, there's no relay on this. There's no, as you can see, I show you that I just took up the stock CDI and connect the Malossi, and voila, it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video and keep on riding, guys. See you on the next one.